Here's the truth that nobody tells you. Your credit score is literally a tax on being poor. If your score is below 670, you're paying anywhere from 2 to 4% more in interest on every single loan you take out. That's not a small number. That's the difference between a $200,000 mortgage costing you an extra $80,000 over 30 years. But here's the good news. Credit scores aren't actually that mysterious. They're calculated by exact formulas, and once you understand those formulas, you can move them fast. I've seen scores jump 80 points in 60 days just by fixing the right mistakes, and I'm going to show you exactly which mistakes are currently destroying your score. Mistake number 1, your credit utilization is way too high. Credit utilization is the percentage of your available credit that you're actually using, and it accounts for 30% of your credit score. Most people think 30% utilization is fine. It's not. Even if you pay off your balance in full every month, if the statement hits while you're carrying a balance, that's what gets reported. So here's what you do. If your credit card limit is $10,000, keep your balance under $1,000 always. I know that sounds aggressive, but it works immediately. People who drop utilization from 50% to 10% see 50 to 60-point increases within a single reporting cycle. Mistake number 2, you're missing payments, or you've missed payments in the past. Payment history is 10% of your score, and a single missed payment can cost you 100 points instantly. Worse, it stays on your report for 7 years. But here's what most people don't realize. After 2 years, the impact starts getting weaker. After 7 years, it disappears completely. So if you've got missed payments, that's fixable. You just have to be obsessively on time going forward. Set up autopay today. Seriously, pause this video and do it, even if you can only pay the minimum. On-time minimum payments are infinitely better than late payments. Mistake number 3, you're closing credit cards after you pay them off. I see this all the time, and it's absolutely destroying people's scores. When you close a card, you lose that available credit, which shoots your utilization percentage up automatically. Plus, credit age matters. It accounts for 15% of your score. Older accounts help you more than newer ones. So here's the rule. Never close a card. Pay it off, cut it up if you have to, but keep the account open. The account sitting at 0 balance actually helps your score. Now, here's the fast-track method that actually moves the needle in 30 days. First, become an authorized user on someone else's credit card, ideally someone with a perfect payment history and low utilization. Their entire account history gets added to your report. This can add 50 to 80 points in 1 month if their account is strong. Second, immediately pay down any balances over 10% utilization. Don't spread the payments out. Do it this week. Third, enable autopay on every single account you have. Fourth, check your credit report for errors at annualcreditreport.com, completely free. Most people have errors, and disputing them takes 5 minutes and can add 20 to 30 points. Here's your action plan for this week. Go pull your credit report right now. It's free. No credit card needed. Look for any errors. Dispute them immediately. Call your credit card companies and ask for a credit limit increase. More available credit automatically lowers your utilization without you changing anything. Then, start paying down balances to stay below 10% utilization. If you can afford to max out a card, you can afford to keep it under 10%. And finally, ask someone you trust with good credit if they'll add you as an authorized user. Your credit score is not fixed. It's not some permanent verdict on your financial life. It's a number calculated by math, And when you understand the math, you can change it. I've seen people go from 580 to 720 in 6 months just by following these exact steps. Now, this is educational content about personal finance, not financial advice. Always check with a professional before making major financial decisions. But I promise you, getting this right will change your entire financial life. A better credit score means lower interest rates, better loan terms, and more money in your pocket every single month. So like this video, subscribe for more money tips that actually move the needle, and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest credit challenge right now?